Carrie Underwood. I hope you like and make sure you comment, dislike, or like my video, or you can like, I don't know, but hope you like. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Since the day they got married, he prayed and prayed for a baby boy. Oh, someone he could take fishing, throw the football and be his pride and joy. He could always see us when that truth be taken as he stayed. But the nurse came in with a little pink blanket, all his secrets changed. Now he's laughing on the thing that she can spend love his world. And his heart belongs to that sweet little beautiful, wonderful, perfect time American girl. 16 short years later, she was calling for the senior football song. Before you knew it, he was sharp passes, giving practice just to spend more time with her. He said, "Hey son, what's your problem? Tell me, have you lost your mind?" Daddy said you lose your free ride to college. Boy, you better tell her goodbye. But